This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the SPSS data file and defining variables. You must do this before entering cases. Open File, New Data, then switch to Variable View. Name each variable clearly and set measurement level and type. This matters because SPSS uses those settings for analysis. Once you define labels, value labels, missing codes, and decimal places, move to Data View. Make sure the variable order matches your analysis plan so you avoid reworking later. Now you enter or import case-level data. You can paste rows from Excel directly into Data View or use File, Open, Data, and choose CSV, XLSX, or SAV to import. Follow the dialog to map columns to variables. After import, inspect each variable's format and value labels. Make sure numeric variables didn't import as string and dates parsed correctly. Once verified, run frequencies or descriptives on key variables to confirm distribution. Finish by saving and validating the file. Save your working file as an SAV and also export a backup copy in CSV or XLSX format. This preserves compatibility. Run frequencies and descriptives, examine missing data patterns, and validate value labels to ensure consistency. If values look wrong, first check variable types and decimal settings. If necessary, recode strings to numeric or correct import options and re-import. One key troubleshooting tip. If analyzes fail, inspect the variable view for mismatched types or unintended string variables and fix those before rerunning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.